Hi, I'm Joseph from Feather. Thank you for joining me as I show you the unboxing of the Feather manual wheelchair. It's a 13-pound wheelchair, the world's lightest wheelchair, in matte black. So the wheelchair comes fully assembled, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. This is the box. You open the box, and it'll look like that. On either end are the two cushions, the seat cushion and the back cushion. And right in the center is the wheelchair. As you can see, it's super lightweight. It's super easy for me to lift it. What a beauty. Take it out of the bag. And as you see, it's fully assembled. And the way you open it is by pushing aside the seat. And this is the way the wheelchair opens and closes, by lifting the seat. And when you open it, you push down on either side of the seat. It has a very convenient back that folds backwards. And you can flip this up and flip it down when you need to flip down the back. The first thing I would do is I would take out the cushions. You could take out the seat cushion. This is the back cushion. It has Velcro on the back, and it attaches to the cushion. You put it in the back like that. And the seat, cushion, you put it in the front. Like that, so it's nice and pretty. And then we have inside two sets of leg rests. So the leg rests come in these little plastic bags. One will be for the right, and the other for the left. When you put down the leg rest, you can tell which one's for what. This is the left, and you kind of stick it in, and it snaps into place. And the right one, we do the same thing. Snips in, and it snaps into place. And here you have your Feather wheelchair. It's ready to go. The chair also comes with, or maybe an optional, it comes with optional anti-tippers, and sometimes the anti-tippers are already in place. If they're not, they have a little button that you can push it in, and it just kind of snaps into place right there. What we love about this wheelchair, it has two sets of brakes, one for the person sitting inside, one for the caregiver. And when you want to pack it up, we recommend you remove the legs. Remove the legs. They come off really easily. You could pick up the seat and fold it, and you can fold the back. And if you want it to be super lightweight, you could remove the wheels by pressing this button at the center of the wheels. Do the same with this one. It comes easily out. And the chair now is literally 13 pounds and super easy to lift in and out of a car. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing experience.